What if there was only one tree left on Earth? Forests gone, jungles vanished, parks empty. The air feels thinner, hotter. Oxygen levels slowly drop. Animals disappear. Ecosystems collapse. Cities grow dusty and dry. That one tree stands alone, guarded, protected. People travel miles just to see it. Scientists monitor it daily. Its leaves become priceless. Seeds are worth more than gold. Nations argue over control. The world depends on one living thing. If it dies, humanity follows. One tree holding the future of Earth.